In this video, I'm going to show you how Max Pearson uses content to grow his Skool community that generates him over $150,000 a month. He reported this revenue number on his YouTube channel. We can't verify for sure. We can make assumptions based on how many numbers of students he has on his paid community. All right, let's dive right in. So let me start out with who Max Pearson is. He teaches people how to make money using Skool communities. And he's won the Skool games twice already. Essentially, this is what his traffic funnel looks like. So what he's doing is he's making content on YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, and his newsletter to get people to join his free Skool community. So he has a Skool community here, and he has over 67,000 members in that community, and it's free to join. He upsells a portion of the people from his free community to his paid community, which is called Max Premium. And this is what that looks like. So right now he has 976 members in that paid community, and he's charging $125 a month. So let's just do a quick calculation. So $125 times 976 members. So he's roughly making about $122,000 a month. And these are people who are paying monthly, $125 monthly. Now, granted, he probably had discounts for early members, so this revenue is definitely relative, but you can tell that he's making a significant amount of money just by having this Skool community. All right, so let's go over to his YouTube channel. So on his YouTube channel, he has posted 598 videos. And if you look at his history, he started posting about 2 years ago. And it looks like a lot of his videos were about SMMA, or social media marketing agency. And a lot of them did not do well. They got around a couple hundred views. His first video was actually the one that did really well. It's got 2.8K views. And if you look at some of his latest videos, he transitioned his content strategy from teaching people on SMMA to teaching people how to make money through Skool communities. All right, so let's look at his video formats. In the past, he did do a lot of editing, and there seems to be a lot of cutaways and B-rolls and a lot of fancy editing, but lately he's just been focusing on making more content that are educational, that are less editing. You can see here that he's just primarily introducing on the video with his face, and then after that he transitioned into doing a screen share, and he's using Loom software to do that. So pretty straightforward, no fancy editing like he used to do. He also does interview style videos, and essentially it's just him talking with someone else. Again, not much fancy editing, it's just two people talking on camera. All right, so let's go over to his Twitter. He doesn't seem to be posting that much consistently. So you can see here, his latest post is August 6th. Today is August 27th, August 1st, July 30th. So he's not that active on Twitter. I believe he's more active on Instagram and YouTube. If I look at his last video on Instagram, April 30th. So he hasn't been much active lately on Instagram either. Let's look at TikTok. So he did mention that he just used the same videos from the Instagram Reels on TikTok. Now, I think what he's doing is focusing a lot of his attention on creating content for his Skool community. So you can see here that he's very active. He posted this one 5 days ago, and he's also posting in his paid community as well. You can see this one was 1 day ago. I think he's at a point where he's having a lot of people come through his funnel, and people are joining his free communities, but people are also joining his paid communities. So I think right now he is focusing his time and attention into creating content for his Skool communities. All right, that's it for today's video. If you want me to do a review on other people's funnels or their content strategy, just put it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to go through every one of them. All right, see you next time.